Hello, everyone. This is Hongxi from CloudToGo, Shenzhen in China. And today I would like to bring you a topic that how we leverage EdgeX technology, combine IT, OT, and AIGC together. And targeting industry in past 1 year, we have been focusing on manufacturing. And also in today's presentation, we would also like to introduce a little bit for the user case we have done in past year. Let's start. So who we are? We are Cloud2Go, and our company was founded 2016 in Shenzhen, China. And today I am also in my headquarters office in Shenzhen. And I myself has been working for Oracle quite a few years, and also for Citrix. My team are also for quite big vendors in IT industry for China customers. And what we are doing is to provide enterprises in China for technology. We name them platform engineering, and it's quite a hot word endorsed by Gartner as well. And our customers are really large customers in China. They are kind of top players in different industries, especially manufacturing industries in China. Also, we are a Alibaba invested company, and we have a very deep relationship with Aliyun Technologies. We also are board member of technical standards in CAITC. We working with the organization to define some standards such as cloud native standards in China as well. Here are just a few of them, our customers. So you can see that they are all the very big names in China, different industries, and a lot of them, they are manufacturing industries. So that IT and OT combination is a key focus of those customers. And also the other customers such as financials and governments as well. And today I would like to introduce more on the manufacturing industries, how we bring the cool technologies such as EdgeX to help the customers to bring IT, OT, and AIGC together. So I would like to share you two different stories. Number one is how we connect IT and OT with EdgeX. So I would like to introduce a little bit background. So you know that in China, the information technology is going very fast. And but however, still the customers, they build IT and OT very much isolated. Even they have different departments serving IT and OT. They are different people. So we are seeing a trend that a lot of manufacturing industry customers, they want to bring IT, OT together. This is not just a technology need, but also a business need, such as some customers, they serving electricity cars. You know that electricity cars are very popular in China right now. And there are a lot of data from the very beginning, from the manufacturing, even before the manufacturing, there are a lot of data. And they need to, you know, that follow the every bit of the data from the overall whole processes going through the procurement and manufacturing and purchasing, and even the users who drive the cars. They want to identify whenever there is a problem, so that they can trace back the data to dig out the very root causes of the problems. So that they need to bring in all the data from not just IT, but also from the OT, the manufacturing processes as well. So we help them to achieve this goal by bringing in the EdgeX technologies and also the other technologies. And the key part besides EdgeX is that we call the blueprint. We designed this blueprint, as you just see in the screen sharing. And we have a very cool blueprint. And the users, I mean, the architects, they can drag and drop the different components, such as they can drag in the components within the IT world, such as the big data, the IoT platform, the different math systems, the different CRM components within the IT world. Also, the architect can drag and drop the different OT components, such as the electricity metering components to collect the power data, the manufacturer processing data, and so on. So this cool blueprint can overall design the IT, OT together architectures. And something even better, they not just to design this architecture for the humans, but also for the systems. And they can define the different deployment policies so that the components within the IT world can be automatically deployed into the data centers. And in the other side, the components of the OT world, they can automatically being pushed to the edge, and where there will be, such as Intel aging boxes, where the EdgeX and the different business applications running on that cool box. And in order to achieve this goal, the architecture is better to be a microservice architecture, so that the different components can be isolated and separately deployed and designed. And also, we see the EdgeX architecture is so good as compared to the Spring Cloud in the IT world. Whenever I introduce EdgeX to my colleagues and my customers, I told them the EdgeX is the Spring Cloud in the aging world, and the user can understand this EdgeX technology very well. And this is the overall logical design of this so-called IceVault. This is our customer, and is battery supplier for the electricity cars. And they have quite a few factories around China and also the whole world. And we designed this multi-layer computing architecture. And you can see that on the very left, there will be the cloud, and private cloud and public cloud. On the right side part, and there are the manufacturing lines, there are devices, there are DTUs, and also IoT gateways. They empower the Intel boxes, and where in the box, the EdgeX technology and the different business applications running on there. And also there are factory data centers to processing the local data and sync the data within the headquarter data centers. So in China, I think they are going towards this multi-layer computing architecture so that they can bring IT, OT, and the future AIGC together. Is a whole in one picture, but not like before, built separately. In our very beginning of our demonstration of how this work, how this technology can benefit our customer, the customer, they have very old devices, such as the PLC by Siemens, are very old models, I think. And thanks to the very flexible architecture of EdgeX technology, we are easy to extend the device models to support very old legacy devices. So the data collecting, reporting, and so on, that we do not need to care about, because the EdgeX technology, they can take care all the other stuff very well. We just need to focus on the little code to support the legacy devices. And that's all. Everything running very good. And the data will be pulled into the data center so that within data center, we build the other layers to processing the data. And that's the very first initiative. We tried to bring IT, OT together. And the second initiative we have tried is to connect AIGC and OT together. So you know that AI is very popular here in China, and we are always thinking about how that we can bring in the AIGC to benefit the manufacturing industries, to do something real, good for the customers, but not just trading something nothing to do with business, you know that. And so a little bit about the background. And you know that in China, there are a lot of manufacturing customers. They have quite a few of systems. I think maybe 100 or at least tens of them. The systems are totally not well connected. In case whenever the boss or some operator need to looking for some information, they need to find something from, I say, 100 menus from some tens of systems. And it's very efficient. And when the boss asking for some data, always it takes hours or even days to get the data prepared. So is it possible to just say out loudly and implant Chinese or English so that the answer will be just get back? Like just we chat human to human to ask for some information, ask for some help. Can we just chat with the systems to find out the data, to find out the suggestions, to send some commands to control the models, right? So that we did something very cool. We leveraged the LLM to connect the APIs exposed by EdgeX. So on the very right side of the presentation is what we have achieved as a demo, so that we can check what is the current speed of the model. As well, we can set some conditions such as temperature is met, and the model speed will be reduced. So this is a little demo to showcase that we can bring in large language model with EdgeX APIs so that we can control almost everything. Of course, LLM is a key part of the technology to understand what the users, the operator, the bosses, they ask for. But EdgeX is another key part to expose the APIs. Without the APIs, the AI cannot understand, cannot control the things, right? But between the modules and the APIs, there is something need to be done to bring them together. So that is the agent, and AI agent is also very popular thing that in China right now. So we designed this cool AI agent to connect them together. And why EdgeX? Of course, EdgeX. So in the very beginning of last year, we learned EdgeX in local community held by Intel China. And we quickly decided to go all in EdgeX because it's a strong and prosperous local community. As well, Linux Foundation projects have very good credits. We believe that with the support of Linux Foundation, the EdgeX project will go for a very long time, and we can assure that it's a long-term development. So another reason is that microservice architecture is something that we love most, because we are a cloud native company. So we love the microservice architecture of EdgeX. And it's very easy adoption, and we are so easy to success, so that it gave us a very big confidence. And we love a lot of features of AIGC, such as we can deploy them in the Kubernetes, and also it's an open architecture, which means that it embraced something from the other vendors, such as Alibaba OpenYard, right? And it's a highly flexible device management framework, so that we could make it working with the very legacy devices. We also love Golang language as well. Also, that besides what I have just said, I also love the rule engine inside AIGC helps us to regularly report devices status up to the cloud. Yes, beginners of AIGC technology, our technical staff, they can easily get information from the documentation and examples. So I think it's very easy for someone that unknown AIGC to get familiar and get used this cool technology because of the ready documentation and examples, and also the very helpful local community and global communities. And we do have some wish list. So the number one is OPC UA services. We are waiting for that. We hope it can be released very soon. And we have strong confidence for AI future, so that we hope that AI and deep learning stuff can be bringing in the considerations of the AIGC long-term development. And in China, you know that Harmony OS is a local OS, very popular in China. So that the supporting of the Harmony OS, I think the China community or global community can consider to bring the supportability of this faster growing OS in China. And the very last one is RBAC, the roles-based access control for AIGC APIs. The reason is that when we connecting the agents, AI agents to AIGC technology, that we want to, of course, we want to certainly to control who can just read data from the OT devices, and who can send the commands to the devices. So it must be full controlled by the roles, right? And the very right picture of this presentation is I took the photo that in the very beginning of this year, when our team, they are discussing AIGC technology adoption to supporting our customer. So the entire team, everyone, they love AIGC, and we believe AIGC will have, and for sure, a good future. And we are looking forward for that. So this is a story from us. We are CloudToGo, and I'm Hongxi. I'm the CEO of CloudToGo, and we hope our company can, with our technology, with the help of AIGC and the good people, the nice community behind, we can together making our company innovate faster. Please write to me if you have any questions or any good suggestions. Thank you.